Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Alina. I am the student of NS Public School. Today, my topic is about politics. Politics is a set of activities that relate to making decisions in group, especially. It is about how society, country, or state are governed. It is about how laws are made, how leaders are chosen, how are the needs of people are managed. It is combination of two words, Raj plus Niti. Raj means governance and Niti means right time. Example, to rule by a particular policy is called politics, in which it is politics to improve the social and economic level of the people. Politics is in every country, whether it is a small country or a big country. In order to run any country smoothly, the government elected by the people in politics runs the country. Politics is of almost importance in the progress of any country, of each country which the people choose to run the country. The development of the country depends on the politicians in politics, because the people of the country choose the politicians and give the reins of the country in the hands of those leaders. To make the nation strong and effective, people have to follow the instructions of the politicians. Politics is the basis of any government. Therefore, to develop our country, we all should choose an educated and capable leader who can make progress of the country by which using the country's politics properly. The future of the country depends on the politicians in politics. At its core, politics is about the allocation and distribution of resources and power within a society. It involves making decisions that apply to membrane of a group, and it encompasses the process by which groups of people make collective decisions. The essence of politics is governance and the orchestration of social affairs in an orderly and collective manner. Governance, the framework through which power is exercised, play a pivotal role in politics. It encompasses the mechanisms, process, and institutions through which citizens groups articulate their interests, exercise their legal rights, meet their obligations, and mediate their differences. Good governance is marked by transparency, accountability, rule of law, and inclusiveness, ensuring that political, social, and economic priorities are based on both consensus in society. The world boasts a variety of systems, each with its unique structures and ideologies. Democracies, where power is vested in the people, who exercise power directly or through elected representatives, stand in contrast to autocracies where a single entity possesses unchecked power. Other systems include monarchies, oligarchies, and republics, each with its distinct approach to governance and power distribution. Thank you.